In this video, I will show you how to count dates in a given year in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. Now I want to count the dates of the years given in this column. For example, for the year 2020, the count will be 2 as there are 2 dates of the year 2020 in this column. To count the dates for a specific year, we can use the SUMPRODUCT function along with the YEAR function. Here is the formula to do that. Let's start understanding the formula from this part. The YEAR function extracts the year from a date. It accepts only one argument, that is a valid Excel date. For example, this year formula will return 2020 as the year, while this year formula will return the year as 2022. Here, since we want to count the dates for multiple years, we have passed the range of the cells as the YEAR function argument. Since there are 5 cells in the range, it will return an array of 5 elements containing 2020, 2022, 2020, 2022 and 2022. These year values are then compared with the year value we have in cell D3. This comparison will return an array of 5 elements containing true, false, and false. The true value is returned when the date contained in the cell is of the year 2020 and the false value is returned when it is not. For the SUMPRODUCT function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We did that by applying the double negative minus minus. After applying the double negative, we get an array of 5 elements containing 1, 0, 1, 0 and 0. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums up the array elements and the result of that is 2. As you can see, we now have the count of the dates for the year 2020. Let's count the dates for other years as well. Since we want to calculate the dates for multiple years, let's make the range reference used in the formula absolute using the dollar signs like this. Now drag the cell down from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the count of the dates for a given specific years. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.